Welcome to Unity Essentials, your first step in learning to create interactive experiences within Unity. My name is James, and I'll be your guide throughout this pathway. If you've never used Unity before, or if you know a little bit about Unity but want more of a comprehensive introduction, you're in the right place. Learning Unity unlocks new creative possibilities and career opportunities. With Unity, you have the power to create amazing interactive games, worlds, and simulations across industries and styles, and then publish those experiences on different platforms. In this pathway, you'll gain a foundation in key areas of Unity development. First up is the Editor Essentials. You'll get comfortable moving around the Unity interface and learning how to navigate 3D space with ease. Next is 3D Essentials. You'll dive into 3D creation, designing a room environment with a bouncing ball physics simulation. Then, in Audio Essentials, you'll bring a kitchen scene to life with a variety of immersive sounds. To learn the Programming Essentials, you'll code basic interactivity for a character who can collect objects in a living room. After that, there's 2D Essentials. You'll discover the unique aspects of 2D game development by creating a top-down version of a familiar scene. Finally, in the Essentials of Publishing, you'll learn to package your work as a shareable portfolio project, building it for different platforms. By the end of this pathway, you'll have a strong understanding of Unity's core features, preparing you to develop more advanced and specialized skills. You'll also have a collection of fun, engaging environments customized with your own personal touch. So, if you're ready, let's get started on your creative journey by learning the Unity Essentials.